Hello traders, how are you? I hope you're well. I hope you're having a good trading day. Yeah, you're making nice profits, been in some good trades. Yeah, let us know. Share the wealth. Let me just get up the live chat so I can see who is in today. Let me skip all these advertisements that keep coming up. Okay, so who have we got in today? Poo Poppy. Yeah, straight in. I've just been watching the morning show. Nice trade on pound Swiss franc. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm currently in this trade. Let's take a quick look. Yeah, okay. My target is 97. So we're almost there. Yeah, but nice trade. Yeah, I agree. We'll talk through the trades for today, guys. Yeah, we'll have a little look at these and also some other trades I'm looking at. I'm looking at CAD Swiss franc at this exact moment as well. But anyway, yeah, welcome to the live stream. As you know by now, guys, maybe some of you are new, some of you might be regulars, you know. Then yeah, we're going to look at what, you know, potential trades I'm focusing on today, and then we'll also answer as many of your questions as we can, guys. Yeah, simple as that. So get all your questions ready and just fire them over. That was my gangster, fire them over. Coprod, good to see you, mate. How is life going today? I'm good, Coprod. I have just had a nice vegetarian pasta dish. I'm trying to do vegetarian twice a week because I've decided I eat too much meat, and yeah, I'm going a bit veggie. A couple of days, maybe 2 or 3 days a week. Very interesting, I know. Not only do we learn about trading on this channel, you get to know my, you know, dietary, you know, updates. Investing with Ian, how are you, mate? If I get an alarm today, we will look at it, my friend. All right, we will take a look. I did actually get an alarm just a few seconds ago on this Canadian dollar Swiss franc, because this, let me put it in with a grey zone, guys. So if you look at this level through here, this H1 structure has just broken. Yeah, this is Canadian dollar Swiss franc. So we've just had this candle here break these lows. All right, so for me, we have had a H1 structure break on Canadian dollar Swiss franc. So I'm interested in this. Okay, Poo Poppy, you've already entered it. Yeah, you don't need me anymore. You're doing these all on your own. But one thing that you must be aware of, Poo Poppy, if you, I just like saying your name. If you've entered this trade, guys, yeah, everyone, let's take a look at the economic calendar. In what's the time now? In roughly 2 hours. You've got a bit of time, yeah, but in roughly 2 hours, guys, we have got this. Yeah, which is why I'm not trading it as yet. All right, so we've got the Canadian dollar, you know, Bank of Canada interest rate decision. So this is 6 p.m. my time. So yeah, 2 hours time, guys. So Poo Poppy, you know, you need to be aware of that because that is going to send the Canadian dollar loco. All right, so if you're in it, great, but you know, maybe don't be in it, or move your stop to break even, or you know, take a small, or really tighten your stop, yeah, or take a bit of profit if you're in profit. Okay, must be aware of this if you're looking at that trade. Let's go back to the charts, guys, as well. So let's see who else we got in. So okay, so Poo Poppy's in that trade. Colin, how are you, my friend? Saw you earlier as part of the mentorship program. Yeah, we do mentorship, guys, if you're interested. I hate news. Yeah, I couldn't agree more. Yeah, you know when you get those news days that are just CPI, interest rate decision, GDP, it's just it just becomes so difficult to trade. Yeah, you see a nice setup like this one. Yeah, we've had a H1 structure break, but then in the back of your mind, we've got the Canadian dollar interest rate decision. So I also hate the news for that reason. Okay. G'day, Greg. How are you, mate? How's sunny Brisbane? Guys, today it's about 42 degrees in Dubai today. Yeah, which is about 100 and plus over 100 Fahrenheit to give you an idea. So if you think it's hot where you are, spare a thought for me. Yeah, it is hot. Um, Okay, guys, so let's take a look at a few things that I'm in. It's been quite a busy day, guys. So, yeah, first of all, I'm in pound Swiss franc, all right? And I still have a little bit of room to the upside, okay? But again, while I show you this, guys, you can think of very cunning and great questions, all right? So, yeah, I'm currently in this, guys. All I wanted to see, well, let's look at the day chart first of all. So, as you can see, guys, we're clearly in an uptrend. Bang, bang, potentially bang. Okay, bang, 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 all technical terms. Yeah, we're getting higher lows, higher highs. All right, so we are in an uptrend, guys. And the idea is just to take it potentially, excuse me, it's the vegetarian food, back up to here. All right, that's the idea. Did we have a setup? Yes, we did. I put this setup in the VIP Discord channel. All right. So, yeah, check it out if you're a VIP member. And the idea is I got in, let's do this. So as soon as we got a break of these highs with this candle, yeah, I was interested in this trade. All right. My target is this next potential area of resistance. Okay, I actually entered here. Yeah, I got a slight retrace down to here, which was a nice entry. My stop is below these lows, and I'm just looking to take price back up to 1297, about here, guys. All right, so yeah, that's a trade I'm in currently. Let's see how it goes. But so far so good, guys. It's looking good. Yeah, bang. All right, we're in an uptrend. We're above the moving average 20. Yeah, I like this trade. Okay, so pound Swiss franc, we're in this trade right now. A highly correlated pair to pound Swiss franc is euro pound. All right, so we are also in this trade. Okay, so again, if we look at the day chart, yeah, we are in a downtrend. Okay, you do not need to be Warren Buffett. I just want to show you the simplicity of my price action strategy. Yeah, it's as simple as this, guys. Yeah, the day chart is in a downtrend. Okay, and then all I'm looking for is to take price back down to these lows. Okay, so structurally, that's what we're looking at. And then on the H1, guys, I'm just looking for, H1 structure. Okay, so you can see price sort of dilly-daddled. There's a word. Dilly-daddled around here. And then I didn't see this trade until this break. Okay, so when I saw this candle here breaking these lows, I thought we could carry on this trade to the downside. Okay, so yeah, we got that. We've got this bearish candle, break these lows. I got a nice retrace up to this level here. Where did I get in here? I got in around 99. Actually, I got in around here. Got a nice retrace, and I'm just looking to take it back down to those daily lows. We're below the moving average 20. Yeah, trade it. It's as simple as that, guys. Yeah, it's not rocket science what I do. It's simple price action where I combine the different time frames. Yeah, that's probably, half of it is looking at the different time frames and building an idea of a trade. Okay, so that's important. And then how I manage a trade, that's also what brings me success with trading. Yeah, I use hedging, as some of you know or may not know. So I don't use a stop loss. I use hedges. And this helps me manage a trade. If I'm in a losing trade, yeah, I get hedged, and then I manage my way out of that hedge, either to back to break even or even back into profit. All right, so yeah, I'm in this trade. I'm looking to take it down to here, down to 81. All right, guys, so yeah, a little bit of room to move into. Oh, sorry, guys. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking at. Pound, Swiss franc, euro, pound short. Colin wants to look at Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Okay, we'll take a look at that. And all right, we'll take a look at that. I'll show you a couple of other things I'm looking at in a minute, guys. But Colin is a YouTube member. Yeah, so YouTube members, guys, I'll always look at your questions. Yeah, whatever you want to discuss or look at, guys, you will get priority. So YouTube member, you can become a YouTube member, guys. If you click on the link in the show notes, yeah, you will see the option of becoming a member. There you go. As if by magic, my editor has put it in the live chat. Okay. Swiss franc, Japanese yen. This has been a sod of a trade. Yeah, a sod of a trade is a technical term. So, on the day chart, right? On all the charts, it makes sense, really. I mean, we're in an uptrend. Okay. Yeah. And we're just looking to take price back to these highs. And on the day chart, nothing has changed. Yeah. We still, this structure is still intact. If we zoom in, guys, you can see we had a bullish candle followed by, these bullish wicks. And even today, yeah, look at these wicks, this wick, this wick, this wick. This tells me buyers are sitting in here. So not much has changed, guys, in terms of the day chart. If we drop down to the H4 now, this H4 structure is still holding. Yeah, it hasn't changed. Yeah, soon as we get a break of these highs, we've been in an uptrend. Okay, we do have potentially lower highs here. So this is quite an important zone right now. Okay. And the other problem with this trade is, yeah, so again, buys are still feasible. Yeah, the other problem with this trade was your stop loss. Again, I use a hedge. But if you use a stop loss, let's say you put your stop loss here below this candle, yeah, you would have got taken out. Let's say you entered again and put your stop loss below this candle, yeah, you would have got taken out. It's been one of those ones where it takes your stop loss out, goes up, comes again, takes your stop loss out, comes up, takes your stop loss out, comes up. That's what's been very frustrating with this trade. Yeah, it's gone slightly lower every time. Yeah, so that's why this trade has been difficult and causing some people pain. Okay, if we look at the H1, again, it's looking positive, but we got this area through here. All right, because this is technically the last H1 high. Okay, so for me, if you wanted to be with H1 structure, guys, yeah, this is what you're currently in. You are seeing lower highs, lower lows. Yeah, you are in a downtrend. But if we get a break of this level, yeah, and therefore a break of these highs, we are getting higher highs. Yeah, it might come down here, and then we're getting higher lows. Yeah, so this is an important area right now. Perhaps it's been such a difficult trade. I mean, if you're back to break even or back, in some profit, you might want to take some profit at this level. You can close 80% of the trade. Yeah. If you don't want to do that, close 60%. Yeah. We can be flexible with our take profits and entries. Okay. So yeah, this level is pivotal right now. If we get a break of this, there's no reason why we can't make it back to these highs over here. Okay. If it reacts here, it might want to come back lower. Okay, so Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Yeah, it's all about this level right now. Let's see how it reacts here. When's the Simply Forex merchandise realizing? Yeah, who would like a t-shirt? Who would like a Simply Forex t-shirt with a saying like, don't short into support? Okay, we will see. If the people want it, we will make merchandise. As if I don't have enough things to do at the moment, but we can do merchandise as well. Okay, what else are we looking at? Okay, yeah, the liquidity trap. Yeah, when you have a liquidity trap, this Swiss franc has, oh, what am I doing? This Swiss franc has been a perfect example of a liquidity. So this is your entry, you put your stop here. Yeah, price comes down, takes out all the stops, closes back in. Yeah, again, you put your stop here. Yeah, it takes out your stop and then closes back into support. Yeah, or you put your stop here, takes out your stop and then closes back into support. This is why I hedge, because I can just close my hedge. All right, I still take a loss on that hedge. It's not a magic wand, but that's how I manage liquidity grabs with a hedge. If you would like to know more about hedging, guys, join the VIP Discord. I've got a lot of exclusive content on there about hedging. Okay, come join it. What else? Just had to hedge on that old hedge, old brother. Yes, Colin. Yeah, it's been a tricky one. Yeah. Yeah, it's been a tricky one. Abby Victor, can you please say bottle of water? There you go, bottle of water. I hope that has satisfied your craving for my funny accent. I started selling US dollar Swiss franc at 10 a.m. It's going well. Yeah, okay. So US dollar Swiss franc was an interesting one. I think it's come down and hit target, really. Yeah, okay, maybe a little bit further. But yeah, this started breaking down US dollar Swiss franc. Yeah, so this started breaking down. Yeah, these highs held. Yeah, and it's been coming down ever since. Yeah, but this 50 level was a good target for me because I looked at this trade earlier. This 50 level was a good target because this is the H1. If you look on the H4, I would say support starts here. Yeah, this whole wick is support. Yeah, so you don't, if in terms of a target, guys, yeah, my target, if this is an area of potential support, my target will be above this. Yeah, it won't be here. Yeah, my target will be here, not here. Why is that? Because if I'm trying to sell this pair, I don't want to fight buyers. Yeah, you know, logic. Yeah, there's going to be buyers in here at some point. I do not want to fight those buyers. So my target will be conservative. Yeah, this 51 was a target I was looking at. So this would be a good target for me. I'd be out of this trade. I'm not saying it won't come lower. It could. But in here is going to be buyers, buyers, buyers. Yeah, I don't want to fight buyers. So that's why I have conservative targets here. All right, so poo popping might be, or even if you don't want to close all of the trade, guys, I always talk to everyone about flexibility. Trading is not as simple as it can be, but sell here, stop loss here, target here, take profit. Okay, trading can be that simple, but what's not to say that this comes down for the next, 3 weeks? So you don't need to close 100% of your trade. Close 80%. Yeah, give the trade a chance to carry on if your higher time frame view is to short it. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm seeing. Okay, guys, let me just have a quick drink of vodka. So guys, before I show you what I'm looking at a couple of things as we speak. If you haven't joined the channel, then come join it. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you as part of the channel. Okay. And secondly, guys, everyone right now, to help support the video, everyone smash the like button. Yeah, let me hear clicking, smashing of like buttons. So everyone, guys, if you can just take 2 seconds, smash that like button, guys, because it really helps push this video, and we like pushing this video. Okay, guys, so yeah, everyone, please smash that like button right now. Abby Victor, I'm glad. I'm glad my accent amuses you. Bottle of water, one more time. Right, what else are we looking at, guys? Kushwa, hi Tom, how do you journal your trades analysis? What information do you include or omit? So there's lots of good stuff about this on my VIP Discord, guys. So there's lots of journaling, and more importantly, there's like a tick sheet that I have before I enter a trade. Yeah, without messing up this live stream, perhaps I can show it to you next time. So I need to know everything about the trade before I enter it. Yeah, things like where am I wrong in terms of my hedge or my stop loss? What's my take profit? What's my risk to reward? What's my money management? What news is coming out? Yeah, am I using too much on the trade? Yeah, am I risking enough? Yeah, there are loads of things that I look at before I take a trade. So I have a checklist, and then in terms of journaling, I keep an idea of my success rate, and that will be currency pair, take profit. Did I let the trade take profit, or did I close it before? Yeah. What else do I look at? And obviously, the percentages. So at the end of the week, I sort of work out the percentages of winners and losers. But for me, I also have journal in terms of my hedges. How many hedges did I bring back into break even or even money? So I have another piece of journaling. But generally speaking, you just want to know the currency pair. Was the trade successful or not? What was your risk to reward? Yeah. Did you take profit too early? All right. Could you have let the trade carry on, which is one of the reasons why I let 20% run. And generally that's it. And then at the end of the week, you want to, correlate and work out all of this data. And you'll end up with some useful statistics. There's a thing I do on my mentorship program as well, guys. So if you want to scale up an account, okay, so if you're new to trading, you probably have a small account, all right? Let's say you're just trading 0.10. Okay, you're trading small lots, right? Nothing wrong with that, guys. Yeah, while you're learning, keep the trade small. This is a nice little tool. If you hit 60% in terms of successful trades, in terms of your win rate, yeah, if you have 60% wins for that week, you can then double this. You can trade 0.2 on each trade. All right. So from your journaling, you will understand your winning rate. And then if you want to scale up, reward yourself. If you have a 60% or higher win rate, double your trade size each week. Because a lot of traders will just, will stick to the same trade size. Yeah, they're comfortable with it. But guys, if you want to start, considering this as a full-time job or a serious, money generator, on top of your job, if you like, then you've got to start scaling up. Okay. But you have to do it only when your win rate is above 60%. If it's not, you stay on 0.1. If it is, go to 0.2. Yeah, it's a good little thing I do in my mentorship program to help traders scale up. Yeah, and Kushwa, check out the Discord. If you're not part of the Discord, check out the Discord. There's some things on there that will help you with journaling, trading checklists, stuff like that. What else are we looking at? Milton, how are you, Milton? DTV, he's here, he's back. Do you trade indices? I keep an eye on the indices, Milton. I don't really trade them, to be quite honest. Yeah, I don't really trade them, but I keep an eye on them because indices can have direct correlations with, you know, yen or US dollar. So I keep a keen eye on them, but don't really trade indices. But if you want me to look at an indice, how I trade can still be applied to any commodity, indice, you know, any product, any Forex pair. Shushma, I'm trading for 6 years, and my point of view, it's better to follow the big picture. Every day is not trading day. We must have to wait for our edge. We must have strong psychology. Couldn't agree more, Shushma. Yeah. I take the bigger picture and trade on the lower time frames. Okay, that's how I trade it in a nutshell. But your trading edge is your strategy, your money management, and your psychology all mixed together. That's what makes your edge. I traded really poorly on Monday, so I took a day off the charts. I always trade badly when I'm overconfident. Yeah. Couldn't agree with you more, Poo Poppy. When I'm on a winning streak, yeah, let's say I've had 5 trades, all gone into profit, I feel invincible. At this point, it is dangerous to trade, because what you will do is you will take, setups that are okay. Yeah, you'll start feeling invincible. You're like, this setup's okay. Yeah, okay, let's enter. But no, all of your setups have to be prime time, super duper, A1, pucker trade setups. All right. And having many winners can lead you to become a bit like that. I agree. So how long have you been trading for? So I've been trading for about, over 15 years now. And the first 4 years, it was just working it all out, really. So I started making profit, after the first 4 years, but not as consistently as I would like. I don't want to scare everyone, but it probably took me about 8 years. Yeah, but you got to bear in mind, I had other jobs and stuff like that. I was trading part-time. Now it's, full-time. But it took me that long, guys. All right. But, you can get there quicker because, there's lots of channels like this, and there's lots of books, there's lots of things and places where you can learn trading, guys. All right. So, you shouldn't make all the mistakes I did. Right, what else are we looking at? Okay, you're part of the free Discord. Yeah, take a look around all the rooms, Kushwa. Okay, thank you, sir. I will become a member. Milton, much appreciated. Become a YouTube member. Good for you. Thank you, Mercy Booker. Right, what else am I looking at today, guys? So, I'm also looking at gold. You are gold. All right, so, okay, I'm actually in this trade because if you look at this H1, we had a real bullish push away from this level. Let's start with the day chart, guys, so you can understand exactly what I'm looking at in terms of this trade. So the weekly chart is at this very important support level. We've got diagonal support, we've got the moving average, we've got horizontal support. Here is a lot of support. If price breaks below this, I am not interested in buying gold. Okay, but there's a lot of support here. All right, I talked about this on a channel I guest present on. If we drop down to the day chart now, Yeah, I'm seeing a bit of a daily range between here and here. Yeah, these highs are holding and these lows are holding. Okay, so we're in this range, right? So the idea with my buy is to take price back to the top of this range. Also, guys, what do I like? I like these bullish candles. Yeah, both these candles are bullish. Okay, so it tells me, you know, we can perhaps keep buying up to here. My target is 1978. All right, that's 10 years before I was born. And now, guys, we've got H4. So H4 is interesting. All right, you know, we are in a downtrend. This is worth noting on the H4. You know, we are in a downtrend here, but now we found a bit of a range. So we've got a range within a range. All right. And basically, guys, we've had this real bullish candle. I mean, look at this bullish candle that we've had. This is H4. I want it to break this level. Yeah, if it breaks this level, we've got free air. Yeah, I like free air. This is one of the things I look for when I trade, guys. All this in here is free air. There's no resistance. There's no anything. Free air. We like this. Because look, if I enter here, this is not free air. I know I entered here earlier on because it was good value, but this is not free air. Yeah, we've hit resistance. So just basically based on this H4 chart, I still like buys. Yeah, I mean, you could potentially buy here, put your stop below here, and look to take price back up to here. Okay, so gold right now is what I'm looking at. I'm looking to buy this pair. And guys, although I'll show you what I'm looking at, guys, please still send me your questions. So I'm looking at gold, guys. I've also looked at Kushwa's other part of his question. Okay, so let me look at this. Okay, so, and what advice would you give to new or wannabe traders like me? Okay, so first and foremost, you need to understand the three, four, or five, the three pillars of technical trading. Okay, so for any beginners out there, guys, if you're listening in now and you are beginners, these three things you must understand and must grasp immediately. Otherwise, you'll be trading blind. All right. The first one is simply this, guys, structure. All right. So this is in an uptrend. Yeah, upward structure. Soon as we get a break of this level, we're in a downward structure. Upward structure or uptrend, downward structure or downtrend. You need to understand the structure of the market. Okay, that's first and foremost. Secondly, you need to understand how to plot my grey zones, which are support and resistance zones. Yeah, then it's not, what I'm telling you is not difficult, but you need to have a good understanding of it. Yeah, so support and resistance levels. Okay, you need to be able to plot those. And generally what we're looking for is where did price react historically. Okay, so when you're plotting support and resistance, look left. Yeah, look left. Oh, look, we've got this area here, this area here. This must be good resistance. Yes, it is. Bang, very good resistance. Okay, so structure, support and resistance, and also candlesticks. Yeah, you need to be able to read these. Yeah, that's a bearish candlestick. You would sell that candlestick. Bang. Yeah. Once we get down to here, we can start, look, sellers, 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 sellers. Once we get down to here, we start seeing buyers. So it's not only individual candlesticks you need to read, you need to understand what a collection of candlesticks are telling you. Yeah, look at these wicks, buyers, 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 and then bang. We get a break of structure, we're off to the upside. Okay. So yeah, they're the first three things you must know as a beginner trader. And then And then also, guys, you've got to have patience and discipline. Yeah. You know, I got into trading rather foolishly. Yeah. I thought this is a get rich quick scheme. It is not. Do not think of it like that. Yeah. If anyone, all these, you know, some of these YouTubers, they're like, oh, I earned $20,000 in 5 minutes. You know, it is not a get rich quick scheme. It takes years of understanding the markets, and you must have discipline and patience throughout. Yeah. But it can be one of the most rewarding things you'll ever do, because the reason I trade is for freedom. Yeah. I don't have some, you know, stupid boss. I don't have to listen to them. The markets are my boss. Yeah, and I'm free. I can take a day off. You know, maybe I've had a couple of good days. I can take the rest of the week off. You know, it's that freedom that it gives me. So, you know, stick with it, guys. You'll get there, but it, you know, takes time, patience, discipline, and you need to understand those 3 technical things I spoke to you about. All right. So, Kushwa, that is my advice. What else am I looking at? I'm also looking at potentially US dollar, Japanese yen. This was a trade from earlier. Okay, now this is going nicely now, guys. Yeah, I entered around 34. I got in around here, guys. My stop's below here, and I'm looking to take profit at 57. Okay, so around here roughly. All right, so this trade is going nicely, guys. I'm in this trade. Yeah, I mean, it's about to hit target, guys. This is wonderful news. Almost hit target. That orange line, if we hear that go off, guys, we know we have hit target. All right. To be honest with you guys, and don't be I have a saying, don't be a dick for a tick. If you're 2 pips away from your target, it's okay to take it. Yeah, 10 pips away, no. But 2 pips, don't be a dick for a tick. You can take profit. Okay. Depending how this reacts here, I might take profit. But let's wait and see if it hits that alarm. So yeah, I mean, US dollar, Japanese yen. And again, guys, I give you all these trade ideas as part of my VIP Discord. Okay. So we have a free Discord, which you can come and join. It's totally free. And then we have a VIP Discord, guys, where you get access to me. You can ask me questions like you do on the live chat. You can ask me these questions throughout the trading day. I give you my entries, my trade ideas as and when they happen. You get exclusive content. We talk in detail about hedging, managing trades. So yeah, lots of cool stuff on there, guys. That's the VIP Discord. All right, so come check that out. And if you're new to the channel, guys, yeah, subscribe. Come join us. I give you my analysis every morning. I do a live stream every day, not Friday. We're down the pub. I'm only joking. So yeah, come join us, guys. And everyone, right now, if you're enjoying this live stream, if you could click the like button. Everyone, right now, take 2 seconds, click that like button. I'm waiting for the noise of the clicking. All right, guys, thank you very much. What else are we looking at? Exactly, I like trading. It's me against the world. It does feel like that, yeah? It's me against the charts. That's it, me and the charts. And what I try and do, guys, is keep it simple. That's another piece of advice. Yeah, some people have like 300 indicators on their chart. Yeah, you can't even see the candles. Yeah, you know, so keep it simple. Price action. Keep it simple. Trade what you see. Trade your setup. All right. Right. What else? Even experienced pilots perform a pre-flight checklist before every takeoff. Exactly. Exactly. They understand one mistake can be costly. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, my checklist before the trade is more important than me. It's also important, but it's more important than me journaling. Yeah, I should know exactly what I'm going to do with the trade before I take the trade. There should be no ambiguity whatsoever. Okay, it should be, this is what I do. If XYZ happens, yeah, and I understand my checklist, I enter. Okay, guys. Yeah, we're about to hit target with this pair. All right, let's take a look. Any other questions, guys? Have I missed any questions? Okay, guys. So we've hit target. Let me just look at my trade here. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so all I've done there, guys, is at this level, yeah, I have just closed 80% of my trade. I've closed 80%, okay, because I've made risk to reward of 1:1. Yeah, I want to take profit because price could come down. It can do whatever it likes. So I secure profit at this level. All right, I've taken 80%, and I'm just going to trail my 20%. So my original stop was down here, yeah, but it's now at, yeah, I'm now going to trail this stop to here. Yeah, because if we look at the H1, this was the last swing low. Okay, so my 20% stop loss is now here. Yeah, and potentially this could be a target. And once it gets here, guys, yeah, I could perhaps close 10% and then let 10% run. Yeah, I want you to get in this idea, guys, of you don't need to be as rigid with your entries. Yeah. Yeah, you can let some of the trade run, close some profit. Yeah, there's many ways we can skin a cat. Don't skin cats. Yeah, it's not advisable. Okay, and also imagine this. Yeah, I close 80% here. All right, I'm only in this trade. My stop's here. I'm only in this trade for 20%. All right, if this comes back down to here, yeah, maybe to here, maybe to here, this is potentially a good entry. So I might add 50%. I might add 50% of my trade, yeah? And then I'll change my stop loss to 70%. Yeah, so I'm building a trade. Yeah, I want you to get into this habit as well, guys, yeah? Build it. I mean, yeah, it's going up nicely. So get into that idea of building a trade, okay? Right, have we got any other questions? Really amazing content from Simply Forex. Shushma, thank you very much. I appreciate the kind words. Ben Jam. Okay, Ben Jam. Bouquet. Tom, how are you? Can you look at New Zealand US dollar? All right, let's have a look at Aussie dollar US dollar. Can I just quickly look at my other trades? So pound Swiss franc. I'm still in this trade, hasn't quite hit target, and euro pound short. Okay, we haven't hit target, but they're coming down. Aussie dollar Swiss franc, let's take a look. Day. Okay, it's all about how this daily candle finishes. All right, this is the daily chart. This was an old target. Let me remove this. This is the daily chart, guys. All right, I'm repeating myself. I've been drinking. I always repeat myself when I drink. So, yeah, this gray zone here represents good resistance. Yeah, this pair could even be, potentially in a range. We don't know. We don't know. We will know when this daily candle finishes. So this daily candle right now, I would need to see this, if I'm looking to long this pair, I would need to see this candle, break something like this. That daily candle, green candle, finishes like this. We have had a clear break of all of these highs. yeah, then okay, we could potentially look for shorts. Sorry, we could potentially look for longs. But straight away, if we did look for longs here, I don't like the value. Yeah, if we got a retrace, then we got up. I like this value. Okay, but if we got a break, we therefore have had a break in the day trend. We're now in an uptrend. We're getting higher highs. Okay, but if this candle finishes, if we get a bit of a wick, maybe a candle that looks something like this, then these highs are potentially holding, and we potentially have some room, you know, back down to even the moving average 20, perhaps. Okay, so for me, Aussie dollar, Swiss franc is all about this daily candle. Where will it finish? Let's look for more clues. Yeah, I consider myself like Sherlock Holmes when I trade. I want to look for clues to see what's happening. All right. So H4. I mean H4. Yeah, I mean H4 has broken. Yeah, this H4 candle has broken, but I wouldn't say that's a very strong break. Yeah, and again, is there much value up here? No. Yeah, if I'm going to buy this pair, I want it to come back down to here. Yeah, this level of support and this moving average 20. Here I have value. Here I have no value. Okay, so you know, let's see. Yeah, let's see what happens to that daily chart, because this H4 isn't telling me much. Yeah, we're getting like, they're not strong bullish candles. Yeah, you need to read the candles, guys. Let's see what this next H4 candle does as well. We've only got 10 more minutes. And that's, you know, that looks like it's going to be bearish. So I wouldn't buy this pair. And I probably wouldn't sell it yet. So what would I be looking for? Okay, so I did put an alarm in earlier because I was interested in potential shorts off of this level. Arguably, we have to come down to here. Yeah, because prices in this H1 structure. What I want to see, guys, is, you know, a breakdown in structure. Maybe it comes down to here and then we get a break of this level. If we get a break of this level, I'm interested in shorts. Yeah, I don't like longs at the moment. Okay, so that is my analysis of Aussie dollar, Swiss franc. I hope it helps. So yeah, let's see. But yeah, day chart. Let's see what happens with this daily candle. Right, what else are we looking at? I hope that helps, Ben Jam. What else are we looking at, guys? Hi, Tom, can you look at, okay, new. Is supply and demand the same as support and resistance? Yes. Yeah, I'm going to say yes. There's, you know, these levels, yeah, they're the same. Some people will disagree with me and say supply or demand could happen before it hits support or resistance. Yeah, okay. But yeah, they're the same. I don't want to confuse things, guys. Yeah, and like I say, the idea is to keep things simple. Yeah, yeah, you can see historically there is demand here for selling. Yeah, here, right here, there is demand for selling. So when price gets back up to this level, there also will be demand for selling. When price gets back to this level, we shall see, but we should see some demand for selling. Yeah, and the you know, the same is for buys as well. Yeah, once we get down to here, guys, yeah, there's a demand for buys. Okay, so yeah, they're the same thing in my view. Some people might disagree with me. Fine, I like to keep it simple. They're the same thing. Right, what else are we looking at, guys? So VUCA, New Zealand US dollar. Before I look at New Zealand US dollar, guys, if everyone could smash the like button right now. Okay, go ahead and do that, guys. Yeah, smash that like button, guys. Also, yeah, join the channel, join free Discord, join our mentorship program, join YouTube membership, join the Girl Guides, join a basketball team, join things. New Zealand US dollar, yeah. So this is again about value. So price is clearly in a downtrend. Okay, you do not need to be Warren Buffett. Okay, yeah, it's clearly in a downtrend. This could potentially be a good area for shorts. All right, but it's being a little reluctant at this level, isn't it? It's not really come down off this level because perhaps this level doesn't represent enough value. Okay, so price has come down. Yeah, is this enough value? Maybe not. We don't know. Maybe not. Maybe price wants to come back up to the moving average 20. Then, okay, then people might be thinking, okay, there is value now. And then people are interested here. So it's about value. All right. So do traders want to push this up to a little bit more value before it comes down? Or is the trading world happy with this level to push it lower? Is there enough value here? That's the question here. What you might see is this: the moving average 20 comes down. As this comes down, price, for the want of a better word, has just been pissing about. Okay. And then once this moving average 20 comes into contact with price, then it becomes value and we can short it. All right, so this trade's really a question of value for me. All right, if we look at the H4, let's look for some more clues, see what's happening. So H4 is in an uptrend. Yeah. Again, it's still stuttering. Yeah, it's stuttering, but we're seeing, perhaps we're seeing a bit of an ascending triangle, maybe. But price is stuttering, and I will not trade this price action. Okay, I cannot trade this price action. Okay, so H4 is tricky. All right, if we drop down to the H1, all right, I mean, arguably we're in a H1 downtrend. Yeah, we had this movement down and again. So potentially, as long as we don't break these highs here, we're in a downtrend. So if I had to trade it right now, I would short it down to 6050. Yeah, if I had to trade it right now. But again, I don't overly like it right now because of that H4, the daily. Is there enough value? But yeah, if you said, Tom, you must trade it right now, otherwise I will pull your fingernails out, then I would short it down to here. Okay, but yeah, price action's ugly. Yeah, look at this ugly price action. We're in a H1 downtrend. No, we're not. We're in an uptrend. Okay, no, we're not. We're in a downtrend. No, we're not. We're in an uptrend. No, we're not. We're in a downtrend. Yeah, disgusting. Disgusting price action. What else are we looking at? Daniel, I'm an ICT trader. Do you like his methods? I like any method that is built around solid foundations and solid principles. I have a lot of people tell me, oh, Tom, I'm trading this system, or I'm trading that system, or whatever it may be. As long as your system is built around price structure, support and resistance, candlesticks, patterns, as long as you're yeah, as long as that strategy is built around those things, then yes, I like it. Yeah, price action. Okay, if it's built around two moving averages, yeah, you've got one doing this and one doing that, yeah, you get a crossover, you buy it, then no, I don't like it. Yeah, this this is, this is not trading for me. I'm going to get a lot of people tell me, Tom, lots of people make money like this, and I'm sure they do. Yeah, there's a lots of mechanical, very indicator-led strategies, but all the information you need is in this price action. Yeah, it's all in there, guys. Yeah, if you learn to read this price action, you will have some success. Okay, trading, or trading an oscillator, when price gets here, we sell. When price gets here, we buy. You can use this or this to support price action. Yeah, I don't mind that. You can use an indicator as another piece of confluence to support your price action idea, but on its own, no. Okay, so that's my answer with any strategy or new thing that comes up. Right, what else are we looking at, guys? Milton just joined VIP Discord. Good man. Welcome to VIP Discord. There is a plethora of videos for you to check out. You are going to have square eyes by the end of today. Thank you, Tom. Okay, yeah, we're pleased to welcome you, Milton. Welcome. And guys, if anyone else, if you enjoy these live streams, these videos every day, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, okay, and smash the notification button. And everyone, right now, guys, if you could, smash the like button if you are enjoying this analysis. Yeah, we do it every day, and if you smash the like button, guys, it helps us to do it every day. What else is there to mention? Yeah, come join the Discord channel. You can join our mentorship program where I teach you one-on-one. Drop us an email and we'll send you the details. And we also have YouTube membership as well, guys, if you want to support the channel. And don't forget the live streams. Of course, you haven't forgot the live streams. You're here. Okay, hi, Tom. Don't know if you've covered it already, but thoughts on Euro Aussie dollar. Okay, let's take a look at one more trade idea. Let's look at Euro Aussie dollar for Josia. I apologize for my pronunciation. I've been drinking vodka. Euro Aussie dollar. What am I seeing? So there's a bit of a weekly play here as well. There's a lot going on here. If I draw this line through here as well. Okay, bear with me. So I've drawn this gray zone in because it's these are the last weekly highs, and price could react here. Yeah, if we come across, price could react here. So on the weekly chart, yeah, swing traders will be looking at this as potentially a nice area to buy this pair. Not only do we have this blue diagonal channel, we've also got the moving average 20, and we've got this horizontal support. So this area here is a real interesting area on the weekly chart to buy it. Yeah, but if we go down to the day chart, it is looking like a sell all day. Okay, we will let's take a quick look at pound Aussie dollar. What is this telling me? Why do I have an alarm? Okay, so this is telling me the same thing. So this is pound Aussie dollar. So this is interesting. We're looking at Euro Aussie dollar and pound Aussie dollar. This is the day chart on pound Aussie dollar. Yeah, and there's this level of support through here. Yeah, price has reacted many times. Reacted here, 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 here. That's how I plot my grey zones, historic price action. Once price gets down to these daily grey zones of interest, all I'm looking for, guys, yeah, there's no secrets about what I look for. Yeah, very simple. I'm looking for a build up in H1 structure. So H1 structure currently, yeah, is in this downtrend. Okay, there's a high through here. There's the last high through here. Let me do it with a grey zone so you can see this a bit more clearly. All right, so there is a grey zone. Well, this is the last H1 high. All right, so have we broken that? I can tell you how we can tell. So if you look at these up here, guys, these numbers up here, all right, as I go over this candle, yeah, this red candle, this last high here, I'm looking at this candle here. If you just hover over it, you will see the high is 86361. So I'm interested in the last three digits, 361. Now I want to hover over this candle and I want to look at the close of the candle, and that is 86362. This was 86. Okay, so we have just by the skin of our teeth had a break on pound Aussie dollar. This has broken these last highs. So potentially we have a buy trade right now. Yeah, I would potentially look to take price back to here, because if we zoom out, guys, this is logically going to be our next area of resistance. So potentially we've got a buy trade. Yeah, we can buy up to this level here. Let's put in a line. So, okay, so around 8718. All right, that's what I'm seeing. I then quickly look at the H4. Okay, and the trade makes sense on the H4. Look at this candle. That is a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. And it has engulfed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. It's bigger than the last 6 candles. This tells me we can buy this pair up to here. And you'll see it's a nice target because it nicely coincides with the moving average 20. So yeah, I am going to, as soon as I get off here, guys, I'm going to enter a trade. So yeah, that's pound Aussie dollar. Let's go back to euro Aussie dollar. So this is a little bit different, okay? Because, well, it's not that different, but it's just, has this trade got more room to come down into? Yeah, this is the question for me. Maybe it does. Okay, if we do get a bit of a retrace, we have got a lot of room to move into. But again, guys, if you're interested in buying this pair, then drop down to the H1. So I would argue we would need a break of potentially this zone through here. Yeah, so we don't have a trade just yet. I would need a break of these last H1 highs here. If we get another next green candle that looks like that, then again, we've got a bit of room to the upside. We must bear in mind, guys, yeah, that's what I'm looking for an entry, and we're above the moving average 20. We must bear in mind that if we do that, we are against day trend. Look at that day trend. We're highly against it. So you must bear that in mind, but this is very oversold here. So if I had to trade it today, I would potentially look to trade it long. All right, so yeah, I hope that helps you with your euro Aussie dollar. Right, guys, we are going to call it a day now. All right, guys, so I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, everyone smash that like button. Come join the channel, come join Discord, yeah, join in the fun. And I'll see you tomorrow for more of the same, guys, 8 a.m. New York EST. Have a wonderful trading day. Adios.